Hey, do you want to learn how to add favicon on your WordPress website? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So on the left hand side, scroll down, you're going to find settings, hover on it. Then you're going to find general, click on it. It's going to take you over to the general settings. Now on it, you can change the site title tagline, and this is where you need to add your site icon. It has to be at least 512 by 512. It should be a square format as well. So I'm going to click here to choose a site icon. I've already uploaded my logo here, but you can go here and upload files and then press on select files. Then you need to upload your logo like this. Just click on it to upload it. Once done, you can make it 512 by 512 as well, or you can leave it as it is by 1080 by 1080 pixels. If you want to make squared logo image, you can go over to Canva or Adobe Express to do it. Here I'm going to click on edit image. Because this is 1080 by 1080, I'm going to make it 512. So here I can press on scale, new dimensions, I can make it 512 by 512 and then click on scale. And that's it. Now I'm going to go back here, press on X and refresh this page, choose site icon. And this first image that we edited, it's now saying 512 by 512. This is what we need. Now let's just set it as a site icon. So I'm going to press here on the bottom right, and there you go. Now you can see that our site icon has been changed. Now all we need to do is scroll down and press on save changes. Make sure to do this. Now there you go. On top you can see our favicon has been set. Now I can go here on the main site, and there you go. And that's it. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find more WordPress related guides and fixes. See you there, and bye for now.